Hello sweet team, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm showing you how to make homemade heavy cream at the comfort of your home with just 3 ingredients. So let's get into this video. I have my evaporated milk, but you can use any milk like whole milk or fresh milk. So if you want me to show you how I make my evaporated milk, comment down below and I will make a video of it. And if you want to use a fresh milk, check the top there and go and check on how I made my fresh milk. Okay, but you can use whole milk too. Any one you have, you can use it. So I've added my 0.5 liter of evaporated milk to my pan. This is my 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and I have dissolved it with water. Then I'll add it. The milk is hot, that's why I'm adding it, but you can wait when the milk is boiling and you add it. It worked that way too. And this is my margarine. I am using margarine instead of butter because I don't have butter available. What I had available was margarine. So if you don't have butter, you can use margarine too, but if you have butter, use butter. So this is like 1/4 cup of butter that I'm using here. But with this video, when I use 1/4 cup of butter, I thought it was too much, so you can reduce it to 3 tablespoons of butter. It's normal. Then stir it and leave it for the butter to melt and for it to start boiling. So as you let it boil, you stir it, you continue to stir it to avoid burning it. Okay, if today is your first time on this channel, you are warmly welcome to this family, and I want to say a big shout out to all my subscribers and all my return viewers. Guys, God bless you so much for supporting this channel and I love you. If today is your first time on this channel and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel. Click on notification bell to be notified anytime I bring a new video. And please, if you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed yet, those that have been watching my videos and have not subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Don't come and watch and go. Subscribe, because when you subscribe, you are supporting the channel. You are helping me to make more amazing videos. Okay, so you can see as it boils, the texture is taken. You can see now it's thick. Just look at it. Wow, you can see the milk is heavy now. So this is, I will stir it. I will keep on stirring it for the butter to dissolve well, and the color has changed because of the butter. You can see the butter was yellow. That's why you can see the color has changed to cream. Okay, so there is nothing wrong with it. Just keep on mixing it. As it's boiling, you mix it for everything to come together. Just look at that. It's beautiful, eh? Please give me a thumbs up, okay? I want to see a thumbs ups on this video, please. Just look at it. After this, when you have a little bit lumps in it because of the cornstarch, you can blend it for some 2 minutes. But no, I did not blend it. I was just okay with the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.